welcome to mathmarvelasmr. Today our question is a, b, c be three distinct numbers in GP such that a plus b plus c is equals to x into b. Then find the possible values of x, that is we have to find the domain of x, how many values x can consume. So first of all we will look at a, b, c are in GP. So clearly we can say b by a is equals to c by b. That will provide us b square equals to ac. Now keep it in hand as equation 1. Now we are given that a plus b plus c is equals to x into b. Now we can write a plus b and we will bring b at the right side, that is a plus c is equals to b can be taken common, we will get b into x minus 1. Now take whole square in both sides, that is a plus c whole square, here it will be b square into a minus x minus 1 whole square. Now a plus c whole square is equals to, we got b square equals to ac, so we will put ac here, that is ac into x minus 1 whole square, that is a plus c whole square divided by ac is equals to x minus 1 whole square. Now mention it as equation number 2. Okay. Now remember an important inequation, that is am is greater than equals to gm, that is arithmetic mean is greater than equals to geometric mean. The equality holds whenever the two terms are equal. So here we will let the terms as a and c. If we take a and c, then am of a and c is equals to a plus c by 2, that is greater than equals to gm of ac is square root over of ac. Now take square at both sides, that is a plus c by 2 whole square is greater than equals to root over of ac whole square. So a plus c whole square divided by 4 is greater than equals to ac. Now we will bring ac at the bottom denominator part and set 4 at the right side. That will provide us a plus c whole square by ac is greater than equals to 4. Now from the previous page we got equation 2 will give us a plus c whole square by ac is equals to x minus 1 whole square. So we will put x minus 1 whole square there and it is greater than equals to 4. Now from this inequation part we got some clue. We will explain it here. That is, we know that if x square is greater than equals to a square, then obviously x is less than equals to minus a and x is greater than equals to a. So from the derived part we can write x minus 1 whole square is greater than equals to 4. So easily you can write x minus 1 is less than equals to minus 2 and x minus 1 is greater than equals to 2. Now from the first part we will get x is less than equals to minus 1 and x is greater than equals to 3. So these two derivations are x is less than equals to minus 1 and greater than equals to 3. So if we combine them in set theoretic language, this will provide as x belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 1 closed interval union of closed interval 3 up to infinity open interval. So that is the range of values of x. The required question is possible values of x. So this is the way we can find the possible values of x. This is our answer. So thank you. Thanks for staying with us. Keep subscribing, keep sharing my channel and share to your math lover friends. So that's it for today. Goodbye.